How you doing, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Appreciate your time. As you can see, pulled up on the screen is the $75 challenge. I apologize about all of the audio issues. Um, I found out that my gain was turned down on the back of my mic, so hopefully that'll fix the issue. But so the count is at $165 and some change right now. So we did start it on February 9th. I did have to reset it the next week, but all in all, I can't complain. Over this past week, we're up on the account $51. Um, Obviously, that's not because of the investments actually going up, because we are actually in a downtrend in the market. But all in all, not too bad, I must say. 63% over the past month. Now, we could take out that $21 that I did to reset the account. Even still, doing great. So let's go into the history. I'll show you guys what I've traded so far this week. Blur my name out. See the recurring investments going on. Yesterday, which was the 23rd, I bought a SPY call at $76. I sold it at 95. So this is trading view. This is the chart from, this is today. This is yesterday. The trade I got into, oh, y'all can't even see it. Sorry about that. So the trade I got into, I didn't get in all the way down on the bottom of that range, but I did get in right where this dotted line is. I got in like right around there. This is the 5 minute time frame for those that don't know. It says 5M up here and then a 5 right there. I got in there. The call play was running up. I didn't even hold it long, honestly, because I'm trying to not blow this account again. I got in maybe, I got out, I should say, probably right around there, give or take. So I held that play for maybe 5, 10 minutes at the max. Let me change that color to red. But yeah, I can't complain. Could have made a lot more, but that wasn't the purpose of this account. So got that. That was, I think I would know how much percentage of a gain that was, right? Let's pull up the account. Matter of fact, I should have a screenshot. Yep. I'll put a picture on the screen over here. That was a about 24% gain, which is not bad, especially for a couple of minutes worth of work and an out of the money call. I don't know how many of you guys actually know what that means, but it was real far out of the money. So if I had more to invest, just that little move would have made a lot more money. But again, it is what it is. So then today, it's 12:36 at the time of this recording. See, 2 hours ago, which actually was more like going on 3 hours, a little bit after the open bell. I bought a SPY call at $54 and I sold it at $64. So again, I'll put a screenshot up on the screen. That was the screenshot says 20% because it says 65, but it sold at 64. So that's what you would call the order fill takes $1, sometimes more depending on exactly what you're trading. But even still, I can't complain. You know, money is money. So if we go back to the chart, gotten somewhere down here. You would think that I would have had this recorded, but just take my word for it. Change the green to indicate that's where I got in. Not on that candle, on this candle, on this green candle here. I actually got in lower, probably like around there. And then where did we get out? Somewhere up there. Again, my trading style is called scalping. Um, I don't like to hold plays. I just like to get in, make money, get out. That's it. Now you see, if I would have held like, whew, if I would have held, that would have been a big profit there. Then let's say I got out once I saw this candle start to wick back down. That could have been a put play down. That would have been another good profit. And then once this went back up, that would have been another profit. You know, so in and out, in and out, in and out. It's all about how you like to trade. But I don't have enough capital for that, you know, because every time you take a trade, it takes out of your buying power. Which, as you can see, I have. If I wanted to, I could jump into a play. Let's see how many current investments we got. One, two, three. So I could buy. I would have to leave $2 so that my cryptos could buy later on. But I could jump into another play for the $38 that I have here. You know, minus the $2, the 40 minus two. So if I see a good setup, probably later on in the day when the prices of the options go down, I'll probably do that. I'll see how it goes on the charts. But to wrap it up, again, we at 165. The count is going well. I hope this was informative. I hope everybody likes this type of content. Also, I'm thinking about doing just a straight options challenge, maybe a straight investing challenge. If But I'm gonna try to do that for March. Maybe I'll try to just strictly options, see how far I could grow a $25 account. Um, I don't know. Y'all guys, let me know. Let me know what you would like to see, and we can make this happen. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate you guys. Everybody, take care.